My dear student and viewers, মই NB Education চেনেলটোলৈ সকলোকে আদৰণি জনাইছোঁ। মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, তোমালোকক সকলোকে মৰম যাচিছোঁ। আজি মই তোমালোকৰ লগত আলোচনা কৰিম ক্লাছ 6ৰ লেছন নম্বৰ 2ৰ টম ছয়াৰ এই নামৰ পাঠটো তোমালোকৰ লগত আলোচনা কৰিম। প্ৰথম মই এই পাঠটো ৰিডিং কৰিব ওলাইছোঁ, তোমালোকে মনোযোগেৰে শুনিবা। Tom was fond of adventures. He had always dreamed of finding boxes of hidden treasure in haunted houses. So he made a plan with his friend Huck. On a Saturday evening, the two friends decided to go on a treasure hunt. The two boys selected a broken down house in a quiet place. It was at a distance, far away from the village. I don't want to go to a haunted house. I am afraid of ghosts. Huck said to Tom, "Come on, Huck, ghosts don't come before midnight. We would not be We won't be there the whole night." Tom assured his friend. Tom and Huck entered the house armed with a pickaxe and a spade. They started digging at a particular place inside the house. After digging for some time, they were tired and stopped digging. Just at the moment, they heard a voice outside. Shocked, they left their pickaxe and spade, ran up the staircase, and hid themselves inside a room on the first floor. Through a hole in the floor of the room, they saw two men entering the house. One was a well-known thief named Joe. He was tall. The other man was short and lame. The two men noticed the pickaxe and the spade left behind by Tom and Huck, and they started digging at the place the boys had chosen. After some time, Joe's spade struck something solid, and soon he dug out a box full of gold coins. The two men cried out in joy. "It's a great discovery. I wonder who buried the box in this house," Joe said to his friend. "Forget the man who buried the box. Have you thought of the pickaxe and the spade? Who left them here? I think someone had come here before we arrived. Let's search the house." The man left the pickaxe in the room. "I am sure he's now hiding on the first floor," said Joe to his companion. He started going upstairs with his companion. The two boys felt their blood running cold. Thankfully, the old stairs collapsed and Joe toppled to the ground. The boys began to breathe more easily. Wrapping the box with a blanket, Joe lifted it on his shoulder, and the man left the place. On seeing the two men leaving the house, Tom and Huck ran downstairs. Thank God we had a narrow escape, Huck said to Tom. See, I told you, treasures are indeed buried in haunted houses, said Tom. But where is the treasure, Tom? We came looking for it and missed it. They dug the place with the help of our tools and took away the gold coins, grumbled Huck. Don't worry, Huck, said Tom. Let's go and search for hidden treasure in some other haunted place. আজিলৈ ভিডিঅ'টি ইমানেই আছিলে। পৰৱৰ্তী ভিডিঅ'ত মই অসমীয়া ভাঙনিখিনি তোমালোকৰ লগত আলোচনা কৰিম। গতিকে ভিডিঅ'টি শেষলৈকে চোৱাৰ কাৰণে সকলোকে ধন্যবাদ দিছিলোঁ। আৰু মোৰ ভিডিঅ'টোত যদি ভাল লাগিল তেতিয়াহ'লে লাইক কৰিবা, কমেণ্ট কৰিবা আৰু লগ বন্ধুৰ লগত শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিবা। আৰু মোৰ চেনেলটোত যদি প্ৰথম আহিছা তেতিয়াহ'লে চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি ল'বা। ধন্যবাদ।